are watching the Leosor Hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and it is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 2. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can take them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, please do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting.